Well, yesterday I was so glad to get this all put together in one piece. It made my whole day complete to see it back in one piece. And we still have to replace the muffler, and I still want to make a couple other little changes, and we should be in a few days be ready to take this baby out on the open road again. In the meantime, it's looking like we have a 4-hour window before the rain is going to get here, and I want to get some riding in. And once the fish are fed and my coffee is down and at this point my arthritis medicine kicks in, I'll be ready to ride. And as everybody knows, if you live in New Jersey and you don't drive a black car, and your wife doesn't drive a black car, and you don't have at least one black motorcycle in your collection, you're not allowed to watch The Sopranos. Well, it looks like the sun is going in and out all day today, but we are supposed to get rain. You'd never know it now, though the sun is out right now. The part of our beautiful ride, we got to have a nice breakfast with Jose. His bike looks a little dirty and dusty, probably needs a little a can of McGuire's
I like
wax.
the valve covers.
Wow. You know, guys that ride all black bikes, you know, I start thinking organized crime. You know, witness protection, you want to be all black, the dark side, right. Look at what he does. This is probably a good idea. He puts all this fake carbon fiber on the thing. I guess that keeps it from getting scratched up. Good idea.
Oh, he's insistent on that.
Yeah, I saw it's all over his other bike too. Nice bike though.
Fender.
Yeah, I wish I could go back to making chrome parts.
Yeah, it's a wonderful little machine.
Nice little bike, for sure.
It's 1100. Ain't that small. What is that? A Kawasaki what?
It's 650. Yeah. It's the Mafia, the special Mafia model.
I like the exhaust.
Yeah, it is a cool exhaust.
I don't know shit about wire. Well, I'm following that video. He's already fucked me with I don't have the same color wires as he has in the video.
Well, it looks like we beat the rain, but on the ride home it was getting pretty cloudy there. Jose kept pointing up to the clouds. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the ride, and thanks for watching.